we're looking at something smart and essential for your health. The Omron Evolv Wireless Upper Arm Blood Pressure Monitor. Omron has been a trusted name for years, and the Evolv Blood Pressure Monitor brings clinical accuracy to the comfort of your home. Inside the box, you'll find the Quick Start Guide and instruction manual. Keep these handy for reference. There are 4 AAA batteries to power the device. And here's the Evolv Blood Pressure Monitor itself, featuring a sleek all-in-one design. No separate tubes or complicated setup. Just put it on, press a button, and you're ready. The durable arm cuff fits a range of sizes from 9.1 to 16.9 inches, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit each time. The OLED display is clear and easy to read, even in low light. It pairs seamlessly with the Omron Connect app via Bluetooth, allowing you to track your numbers and trends over time, an essential feature for managing your health. The controls are intuitive, making it quick to set up and easy to use, time after time. And remember, for any questions about your blood pressure, it's best to consult your healthcare provider.